Don, this is Jonathan from Lure Chrysler. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recharge your car if your battery was to die. So what you first want to do is you'll want to unlock your car, of course. You're going to hit this little latch right, this little latch that opens the hood. And then come up here. You're going to find the little latch down here. You're gonna open the vehicle. Right here, you have your plus and negative. You're gonna get some power cords. You're gonna have another vehicle. Let's put an example. There's a vehicle right here. You're gonna connect the positive and negative to that vehicle first. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to put the negative on first. You're gonna put the positive on first. Let your car sit for about a minute or so. And that should turn on your, and that's gonna